It's a good one. You can see the glow in my skin. So better try it. Hey Rainbows, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Dikshita Das and I would be really great if you take a moment and subscribe down below. So today's video is all about to get the tan. It is for boys and girls, both of you. And by the title, I guess you have got to know what I'm going to do. And I got a lot of tan after coming to some. It's really a surprise for you. I have not done the editing till now. I'm so lazy, so I thought of doing this video first, and then about the next video is a vlog video, so don't miss out. So go and hit the bell icon for the next vlog video. So let's get the video started. I got a Mirabella Cosmetic Korea face mask for detanning. So I got this one for my face, and after this I have M Caffeine face scrub and face wash. It's a face scrub and this is a face wash. It's a really tiny size. I got it a gift with this two body scrub and body butter. So it's a review of these. It's really good product. I have used it before and I have not used any facial mask till now, so I'm going to do this one and give it a review. So I tied up my hair and now I'm going to open this pack. So first of all, it is the cheapest face mask I got in the market because I wanted to do the cheapest face mask and give the review. And the best face mask in India, I guess it's till now Garnier yellow one. I have got the review, but it's also good, so I want to do the cheapest one till now. So it comes like this. Once. So it's set now. I'm sorry, I'm going to talk like this. This is a product which boys and girls both can use, and to be honest, it is so good than any peel-off mask or any kind of hard mask or scrubber which really damages your skin. This kind of face mask is really good and leaves a cooling effect. And then it comes the body butter scrub. So it looks like this. So first you have to get wet your arms and all. I'm going to show a little bit demo here and then I'm going to do it. Here is the product. It's a dusty product. Take it and scrub your whole arm. Scrub at least for 1 to 2 minutes and then wash it with warm water. So I have just done right now this hand, the scrubbing you have seen. So it is a coffee scrub, and you can use a normal grounded coffee for your face and also for your hand and toes everywhere for detanning. So after doing the body scrubbing, I'm going to do body butter, and it's like this. You can see the package. So it's really good body butter. This time your skin, you can see it's so dry. It's so dry. A hard kind of butter is needed. So use it. It's very good and it leaves a so good smell. Obviously, you cannot do it. It detans your skin and apply it more to elbows and knees. I'm going to do it after I peel off this mask.
Now I'm going to peel off this mask.
So after peeling up, you can see the glow, how it is glowing, and to be honest, there is a glow, and the skin tone, my tan is removed a lot. Now I'm going to do my face scrub and face wash after cleaning up my face. So this is the face scrub. You take this much and it lasts for a long time. You see? Always do round in circles when you are applying it to your face. And then I'm going to use face wash and come back. It will so relieve after all the steps, and your skin doesn't dry up after using M-Caffeine face wash. If you want to use some other toner or something, you can, but I really don't feel like using it. So I hope you guys like it, and leave a comment down below how was it and what next you want videos on, like reviews or some fun stuff. Do like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for next notification for the vlog. I guess you know till now my Instagram followers do know where I went. So hit the bell icon. I will try to post 2 videos this month because I do have a lot of stuffs for you. So I will try. I don't know. I'm going to try my best. Very good. See you soon. Bye, Rain.